Hello and welcome to the Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, where legal matters are made clear, simple and easy to navigate. In today's video, we're answering a very important question. How do replacement attorneys step in under a lasting power of attorney? It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step so you feel confident in how it all works. A lasting power of attorney, or LPA, is a legal document that allows you, the donor, to appoint someone you trust to make decisions on your behalf if you lose mental capacity. There are two types. 1. Property and financial affairs, and 2. Health and welfare. Now, alongside your main attorneys, you can name something called a replacement attorney, and that's what we're diving into today. What is a replacement attorney? A replacement attorney is someone you nominate to take over if one of your original attorneys can no longer act. Think of them as the reserve team, ready to step in if your first-choice attorneys become unavailable due to death, loss of mental capacity, resignation, or simply choosing not to act. It's all about continuity. The idea is to make sure there's always someone authorized to act in your best interests. When do replacement attorneys step in? This depends on how your original attorneys were appointed. Let me explain with a quick example. If your attorneys are appointed, 1. Jointly, they must all act together. So if one drops out, the power ends and the replacement attorney or attorneys would then step in. 2. Jointly and severally, each attorney can act independently. So if one drops out, the others can continue without needing replacements unless all are unable to act. Your LPA form will state how attorneys are to be appointed and how replacements are to take over. It's critical to get this wording right, and this is where legal advice really helps. You must appoint replacement attorneys at the time you make the LPA. You can't add them later. You'll need to clearly name them in the form, specify the circumstances under which they'll step in, and sign and witness everything correctly. The Office of the Public Guardian, or the OPG, won't accept vague or contradictory instructions, so clarity is key. If you're unsure how to set it all up properly, don't guess, get professional advice. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our legal insights.